ohmathgad.
Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video in which we're going to be solving another problem of percentages. So in today's case, we're going to be taking a look at the following problem. What percent is 450 out of 50,000? So pretty big numbers right here. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at basically finding or identifying the part, the total, and then finding the percentage that part is equivalent in that total. Okay, guys, so let's tackle the problem. So what percent is 450 out of 50,000? So guys, as we learned in the video I'm going to be putting in the card right there, we know that we can actually use two methods. So the first method is just applying the percentage formula. So remember that the percentage formula is going to be that the percentage is going to be found as the part divided by the total, and then we multiply that by 100%. So how do you identify the part and the total? It's very, very important that you take a look at the keywords. So what percent is 450 out of 50,000, right? So we're going to take 450 out of the total, which is 50,000. So in this case, the part is 450 and the total is going to be, again, 50,000, right? So you have to be very careful with that. And then you multiply it by 100%. So what you can do is that you multiply 450 times 100, right? And when you do that, you get 450, and then you add two zeros because you're multiplying by 100%, and then you're going to divide that by 50,000, right? So 450 multiplied by 100 is 45,000, and then you're going to divide that by 50,000, and that is going to be 0.9. So that means that 450 out of 50,000 is not even 1%, is 0.9%, which is a very small percentage. So guys, you can use the percentage formula, and that is very straightforward. But you can remember that you can also use the rule of three. So we put the percentages on one side, and then we put the amounts on the other side, right? So the percentages are 100%, which is going to be the total amount. The total or whole amount is, in this case, 50,000. And then the unknown percentage, because we don't know it, is going to be 450. And now you just cross multiply. So you're going to multiply x times 50,000. So it's going to be 50,000 multiplied by x. And that is going to be equal to 100% multiplied by 450, right? Now, because we just want the value of x alone, we divide both sides by 50,000. And that way, we get rid of the 50,000 on the left, and we get the value of x, which is the percentage we're looking for, on its own. So 100 multiplied by 450, again, that's going to be 45,000, and then the percent, and then we're going to divide that by 50,000, and that is going to give us an answer of 0.9%. So you can use any of the two methods to solve this problem. Just be careful with the percentages and the amounts, and be very careful when you're cross multiplying. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. So see you on the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!